It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make our own puffy paint and paint with it. And this puffy paint is puffy to the touch, and it dries puffy, and it even puffs up even more as it dries. So want to make your own puffy paint that gets even puffier as it dries? It's fun to make and it's fun to paint with. The ingredients you'll need to make your own puffy paint are flour, shaving cream, glue, and food coloring. To make your own puffy paint, you will mix 1 cup of flour with 3 cups of shaving cream or shaving foam, add 1 cup of glue and mix thoroughly. And then if you want to create colors other than white, you can divide your puffy paint mixture into multiple bowls. And add a few drops of food coloring to each bowl and mix. Now you want to put your puffy paint into plastic bags. Sandwich bags work well, or other small plastic bags, and squeeze the air out as much as possible. If you're using a sandwich bag, you can seal the sandwich bag. If you're using another kind of plastic bag, you can seal the end with a twist tie or a rubber band. And then snip a small hole at the end where you'll squeeze the puffy paint out of the bag. Now to paint with your puffy paint, you'll want to start by protecting your work surface with a tray or a mat, and you'll want to make your puffy paintings on sturdy paper or cardstock. To paint, squeeze the puffy paint through the hole in the plastic bag, creating pictures and designs as you squeeze. Continue working until you're happy with your picture, and then let your puffy paintings dry overnight. Puffy paint will firm up as it dries, but will still feel puffy and soft to the touch.